Today, we will address a topic of utmost importance for all dog owners: how to tell if your dog has a fever. This comprehensive guide will help you understand the signs and actions to take to ensure the health of your four-legged companion. Let's get started. What is canine fever? Fever is the body's response to infections or inflammations. It is an elevation of body temperature that occurs as part of the immune system's response to combat invaders, such as bacteria or viruses. The normal body temperature of a dog varies slightly by breed, but generally ranges from approximately 37.5 degrees Celsius to 39 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. When a dog's body temperature exceeds this normal range, it is considered a fever. Fever in dogs can be caused by a variety of factors, including infections, inflammations, reactions to medications, or even more serious conditions. Fever is an indication that your dog's immune system is working to address some internal issue. It's a sign that something may be amiss and needs to be investigated. It's important to note that fever itself is not a disease but rather a symptom of an underlying issue that requires attention. Signs of fever in dogs. Now, let's detail the signs that may indicate your dog has a fever. It is crucial to recognize these signs to take appropriate measures if you suspect a fever. Elevated body temperature. Fever is characterized by an increase in body temperature. In dogs, this is generally considered when the rectal temperature is consistently above the normal range. Lethargy and lack of energy. If your dog is noticeably less active than usual, has trouble getting up, or appears weak, this could be a sign of fever. Loss of appetite. A lack of interest in food is another common sign of fever. If your dog stops eating or drinking, pay attention. Dry nose and eyes. Fever can cause dry nose and eyes in dogs. Observe if the nose is warm and dry, and if the eyes have fewer tears. Tremors or shivering. Dogs with fever may exhibit tremors or shivering, similar to when they are cold. Rapid or labored breathing. An increase in respiratory rate accompanied by labored breathing is a common symptom of fever in dogs. Remember that these symptoms can vary from dog to dog. Some may display only a few of these signs, while others may show all of them. The important thing is to observe any abnormal changes in your dog's behavior or health. If you notice one or more of these signs and suspect a fever, it's important to monitor the situation closely and, if necessary, contact a veterinarian for guidance and professional assistance. How to measure temperature. Now that you know the signs of fever in dogs, it's important to know how to safely and accurately measure your dog's temperature. Measuring your dog's temperature at home is a useful skill for any responsible owner. First, you will need a digital rectal thermometer, which can be found at pet supply stores or pharmacies. To take the measurement, follow these simple steps. Lubricate the tip of the thermometer with a water-based lubricant, such as petroleum jelly. Have someone help you hold your dog firmly, keeping them calm and comfortable. Lift your dog's tail and gently insert the thermometer into their anus, approximately 1 to 1.5 inches. Wait until the thermometer emits a beep or indicates that the reading is complete. Remove the thermometer carefully and read the displayed temperature. The normal temperature for a dog varies, but it generally falls within the range of 37.5 degrees Celsius to 39 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Any reading above this range may indicate a fever. Remember to be gentle and patient when measuring your dog's temperature, as it can be uncomfortable for them. Offer affection and rewards after the procedure to make it a more positive experience. After measurement, be sure to clean and disinfect the thermometer before storing it for future use. If you don't feel comfortable doing this on your own or if your dog resists, it's always advisable to seek guidance from a veterinarian for a safe and accurate temperature measurement. When to seek help. Here are some situations in which it is crucial to contact a veterinarian immediately. High temperature. If your dog's rectal temperature is consistently above 39 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit, it is a sign of fever and requires veterinary evaluation. Severe signs of discomfort. If your dog experiences severe shaking, seizures, or demonstrates a high level of discomfort, it's an emergency. Signs of dehydration. Dehydration can worsen fever. Signs of dehydration include dry and sticky gums, loss of skin elasticity, and sunken eyes. Other serious symptoms. If your dog exhibits severe symptoms such as difficulty breathing, unexplained bleeding, or loss of consciousness, seek help immediately. Don't hesitate to call your veterinarian or emergency veterinary clinic if you notice any of these signs. They can provide specific guidance and schedule an appointment if necessary. Remember that fever in dogs is a symptom of an underlying issue. Identifying the cause of the fever is crucial for proper treatment. Never attempt to treat your dog's fever on your own without the guidance of a veterinarian, as this can worsen the situation. Your dog's safety and well-being are a priority. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Prevention. Preventing fever in dogs starts with regular care and a healthy environment. Here are some important tips. Vaccination and checkups. Ensure that your dog is up to date with vaccinations and undergoes regular checkups with the veterinarian. This helps identify health issues at early stages. Hygiene and cleanliness. Keep your dog clean and groomed. This includes skin care, regular brushing, and maintaining oral hygiene. Balanced diet. Provide a balanced, high-quality diet suitable for your dog's age, breed, and specific needs. Regular exercise. Ensure your dog receives appropriate exercise for their energy level and activity level. Safe environment. Make your home safe for your dog by removing hazardous or toxic items from their reach. Protection against parasites. Use preventive measures against fleas, ticks, and worms. By adopting these preventive practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of your dog developing a fever or other illnesses. Remember that your dog's well-being depends on your constant attention and care. Be vigilant for warning signs and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. And thus, we conclude our guide on how to tell if your dog has a fever. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like, share it with other dog lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more information on canine care. Thank you for watching, and